As W.D. Gann used to say, the future is nothing but the repetition of the past, nothing new under the sun. In my previous video I have shown you how you can use the Fibonacci zone and Fibo retracement tool of MT4 platform to predict future tops and bottoms with a pretty high accuracy. Hello, marhaba, namaste and salamat pagi. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In this video I'd like to share with you some ideas related to harmonic trend lines and explain you why certain trend lines are so rock solid. So stay with me to the end of this video to not miss anything. Let's start the rock and roll. I'm on Euro USD daily chart at the moment. I've prepared in my previous video where the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci zone tools of MT4 accordingly adjusted help me to determine future tops and bottoms as well as some resistance support lines. If you haven't watched this video yet, I recommend you to watch it first before this one. The link you'll find in the upper corner somewhere here. Its title is Gun-Free Geometry Tool. So what we've been prepared in the previous video at the moment with the starting point over here at 1st of February and the bottom 20th of February and all the projections done later on, you could see that it works pretty well. It was really fine. And what we can do right now we can determine somehow. We can determine also the trend lines. If we drag the lines from the very corner here at the starting line, let me show you. So I get the trend line, a straight line, as a ray, and I drag a line over here, and it goes exactly through this corner and this corner. So now accordingly, I forgot to tell you, I fixed this chart just to not resize. So if you don't know how to do it, you go Properties and you mark this small window, Scale Fix. So I just fixed my chart to keep it scaled as it is. And let me show you. So now in order to do it properly, we have to double click this line and pressing the Control button, we drag the line to the next corner. Okay, so I got the second line more or less. It is okay. It should go something like that. It's going roughly through this corner. Okay, let's say it's okay. Again, I'm pressing Control button. I'm dragging this line again over here, and it's going exactly. So we got just a few lines over there, and repeat this procedure up to the next one. Maybe it will show us something in the future. Alright, so we did once this one. Another line we draw from this corner, for example, from the zero starting line, and drag it through this corner over here. Let's make it more precise. Whether would it work or not? Something like that. Okay, it's working. So again, we just get this line, we keeping the Control button, we drag the line to the next corner, and it should work exactly as it is. Look, lovely. Let's do 3 or 4 more, and I will show you what you can do with that. So we got one here. Let me do it quickly, and we will right now. We should be done already. Okay, it's something like that. 2 more, one here, and another one here, and we should be alright. Oh, we got 5 lines at the moment. Alright, so it's enough. Let's leave it like that for a while. Okay, so we got the lines formed. Look over here, we got lovely Ganns square here with all these lines. What is interesting over here? That, for example, where these lines cross, look what's happening over here. What's happening over here? Where this line crosses, it shows a bottom somehow. It's halfway. So it's perfect division of this small half cycle or semi-cycle, whatever you call it. And further on when you go, what's important in that? That these lines represent very strong dynamic support resistance lines. When you look, just let me move this chart over here. Let's make it bigger. I'll show you what I mean. Oh, it looks a bit messy anyway, but as you see, there are places where the market keeps to the support resistance. As it breaks, it goes further. Looks what's happening here. If you wonder, that's what I wanted to show you. Maybe it's not that precise, it should go straight to this corner. So what I want to show you, very strong support resistance line. Look how strong is that. And we got another one over here. This resistance line has been broken, and then the market kept under this line on the cross. Over here, it was a harmonic turning point, potential turning point. Market actually did a turning point. This is on D1, this is a daily chart. So this candle turned over here and made a correction of slight, I don't know, 30 pips. It's nothing. It's just, you know, as an error on daily chart. So there was so strong momentum that the market continued over here. And what I want to show you further, there was one dynamic resistance line. This one was support line. And look what happened. As soon as it got broken, market went through on this static support and broke both of them over here. You see, came back, stayed here, and just market was climbing on a, we call it on the wall of fear over here. So at the moment we are here, what do you reckon? What do you reckon? Where the market should go? I would say in this area the market will reverse. I told in my previous video it is somewhere like maybe 26th of December, just after the Christmas, the market might top up over here and should probably reverse to this dynamic support, because this one is actually dynamic resistance. When the market will climb up on this line, it means that it's very strong. When it comes back to the dynamic support, it means that just getting the power to continue its rally or maybe reverse. We don't know yet at the moment what's gonna happen. And please check once again over here what's happening. Oh, what's happening? I dragged this babe over here. Let me just do it as it was. It was like that, wasn't it? Yeah, that's right. What's characteristic here as well, we got in this downtrend, we got very strong dynamic resistance line. Look what happened. It broken through, and it was sure that the market will continue uptrend because this line was broken, and here was broken straight away in one go. So same story here, the market stops, next day boom. And that in this way you can build up this Gann grid, because it's harmonic. Whatever you try to do, always try to get it harmonic, to keep all your prices, all your lines in a harmonic way, in proportions to each other. As you see, using very basic tools, you can easily predict eventual future turning points, like this one, for example, as well as the dynamic support resistance lines, like here we got a strong support line, which became resistance later on. And just using what MT4 or any other platform offers as a basic tool, because Fibo retracement you got here, Fibo zones you got here. So, but if you are interested in more sophisticated methodology based on pure mathematical formulas, you can attend my private online tutorial over the Skype or Zoom on the subject of projecting price into time techniques. There are quite a few of them, of these techniques, but they are extremely useful in forecasting tops and bottoms of the market. And if this method is not enough for you, you can learn the other one. So if you want to learn more, just send me an email to the address you will find below under this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself, and I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.